Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make red fruit sorbet in Disney Dreamlight Valley. This delightful 3-star dessert is a fantastic way to boost your energy and earn some star coins. We'll go over all the necessary ingredients and the straightforward steps to prepare it. Get ready to create a refreshing treat that your valley residents will absolutely adore, making your culinary adventures even more exciting and rewarding. Let's dive in. To craft this delicious red fruit sorbet, you'll need just 3 key ingredients. First, grab 1 raspberry, easily found in the plaza or peaceful meadow. Next, collect 1 gooseberry, which grows in the frosted heights or forgotten lands. Finally, and crucially, you'll need 1 slush ice. This special ingredient becomes available at Remai's restaurant after you complete his final quest, so make sure to help him out first. Making red fruit sorbet is incredibly simple once you have all your ingredients. Head to any cooking station in your valley, like the one in your house or Remai's kitchen. Open your cooking menu and place the 1 raspberry, 1 gooseberry, and 1 slush ice into the pot. With all 3 items added, simply confirm the recipe and voila! You've successfully created a refreshing red fruit sorbet, ready to enjoy. This wonderful red fruit sorbet offers several great benefits. When consumed, it restores an impressive 2,079 energy, helping you power through your daily tasks. As a 3-star dish, it can also be sold for a respectable 333 star coins, boosting your in-game economy. Plus, sharing this delightful dessert with your favorite valley friends is a fantastic way to quickly increase your friendship levels with them. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.